Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I have an amazing application that I've created for an e-commerce system. And basically it's have a admin side and also it has a client side. It's an e-commerce system, and I did for Tasty Treasure, an e-commerce system that sell things, bags online. Okay, this is my source code. I'm not going to open it here. Let me open it from my GitHub account so that you can go and check my GitHub account. So, and you can come to my GitHub account. I'm going to share the link below. Here is my GitHub account. If you click the link, it's going to redirect you to here. And this is the source code. Here's the source code. You can come here and download the zip code, or you can clone the application. I think that one, you can use this link to clone. That one not going to teach you, but it basically is just simple as that. Yeah, this is how my application look like, and this is the structure. My application, I have employed the use of Next.js and MongoDB. I also use a Clark for authentication and Crowdtree for storing my images. Here's the link for the Clark. You can just type from your browser Clark, and you can choose the first. I think I type it wrongly, but this one is the correct. It's not supposed to have a, yeah, like that. Yeah, this is the correct spelling for the extension. This one is for authentication, and I also use Cloudinary. This is for storing my images. This one, yeah, you can come just and check that. And it's a very simple thing. You can check from tutorials from the YouTube. For example, this one is very helpful. This one is also very helpful, and it's going to guide you on how you can get the credential and such. So let's go straight to our application. Once you download the application, you can download it or clone it. Once you are done with that, you can also set your MongoDB. Yeah, because I've used the MongoDB to store my data. Yeah, let's dive straight to my application. Yeah, it have two sides. Have the admin side, and it's also have the client side. So let's first of all go to admin side. Once you open the admin side, this is how it look like. You can see it's have the dashboard with the total orders. Maybe this have made 6 total orders. Registered product, you have 1 product. You also have total revenue to pay to that, and you also have the active user. This is what admin is going to use. It's have several things. You have products, you have orders, you have customer analytics and settings. So this are basically this is our dashboard. Let's go to products. This is our products page look like. I have products, and I have employed the use of icons instead of, because I just think that admins are literate person and he know more about the icons. This is for adding new product or creating new product. You also have this one is for viewing, this one is for editing, and this one is for deleting. So let's first of all try to add a new product. Yeah, so before adding a new product, you need to know the image that I'm going to use. So let me first of all upload the image. For image, I have saved several images here. Let me check. Let me try to add this back. And the main image, let's say this is going to be the main image. So first of all, add that one. So the main image, we start adding the main image is going to be indexed as 0. So for image 0 is going to be the main image. You can also give it a dimension like this one. Let's add another image like this one. Let's add this, and I think I'm going to get the name of the product from there. Stylish legs. There, I'm going to get that one. Then you can also give another dimension, this one. Yeah, wow. Now I cannot be able to upload another image, but me, I want to I'm trying to let me try to rename this Control C so that I can get Cancel. So name of the product, let's give the name from the stylish Lex Weekender. That's the name of the product. Price, you can see this is 2300. For quantity, say we have 8 of them. For colors we choose. Let's use a color picker, simply because we human being don't know. And you can see this as straight one. So I don't know, but it's more white. Let me see. Let me use this color. So this is the color of the bag. Then the details. The details, I have seen the dimension. Let me try to use this dimension. Let's say this is dimension street. Say a strip of white and gray. I'm not good in colors. Let's say this is a gray color. Let's say also say it's half leather. Handles. Let's say that's our details, and let's say everything's okay, and we can add. Yeah, our product have been added successfully. So once we add our product, you can try to do some things. For example, let me try to edit this and say we have like 2 quantities, and let's say you maybe have restock. Just look like that. It's going to be okay. Just give it some time to load. Yeah, we have updated our order. Right now we have 2, this one we have 7. So we have 2 products right now. We can also delete any, but I don't want to delete. I don't like the data entry work. Let's try to view our product. You can see this our product will look like that and like that. You have seen the descriptions of our product, you have the quantity and such. So the next thing that we have from our admin side, we also have orders. Let's check orders. You can see the name of the order. This one I'm going to explain it more better when I use the client side. You also have the customers. These are our registered customer and such. So let's dive to our customer side, client side, and allow me to use another profile. Let me use this. Use this profile. Let me use this as my profile, and let me paste that link there. And this is how our profile look like. Our admin side, our not admin side, this is our client side look like. And can look like that. We have our heroes information there, and we also have our product. For example, you can see the product that you have recently added. You have those are in stock, and you can see the price, the color, and such. So let's try to view our product first before we purchase, like that. Let's give it some time. It's loading. Yeah, there it is. You can see how our bag looks stylish. Lexus Weekender. It's the reviews and such. These are constant, and you can see dimension. This look like that. You can add the quantity. For example, you can add up to 7. We can't add more than 7 because you only have 7 in stock. So let's add like 2. Let's say 2, and you can see, let's see, try to see our back dimension like that one, this remember this client side and how things are going to look like. Yeah, you can see Yeah, so let's try to add this to cart. Yeah, we have added two things in our cart. Let's go back home and check. Maybe I just add this or another. Let's add two. We only have two products, so we can't add more than two. So let's add one. Let's add one. Let's add like that. We also have our contact information. You can just write anything here. You can say this Evelyn. Then say email is Evelyn shift@gmail.com. Then subject, more product, and more product. This is a random message from our customer. Let's send. Yeah, our message has been sent successfully. The next thing, this is how our customers send information contact look like, and this is our amazing footer. So once we have placed, let's say it's a customer who only wanted to shop, so once he is done shopping, he can check his cart, and you can see we have this. So let's try to check out. We can just press our cart and check out, or we can click this checkout. So which one do you prefer? Let me choose this one on the top. Yeah, then we have this one. Since we are not logged in, we are supposed to log in so that we can be authenticated. We can be allowed to use our checkout. So no one can check out if he or she have not signed in. So let's try to sign in. Let's use continue with Google. These are a bit simpler. Yeah, use Evelyn Kaino. Then continue. This is how I use the clerk to help me in authentication. Yeah. Now let's try to go back to checkout again. Yeah. Now right now signed in. So here we can add our phone number. Say this 01234567 like that. Say 9. Then you can select a city. This is from a Kenyan setting, so let's use a Kenyan setting. It's a KU Thika Road. Let's say a town like Kasarani. Then our transaction M-Pesa. So we are supposed to pay 5,600. So once we pay 5,600, then we can put our M-Pesa message. Let's say it's like this. Like that. Then from that point we can place our order. Let's place our order. Yeah, you can see our order have been submitted successfully and such. So let's check our orders if it's true. So we can see our orders here. We have 5,600, and let's try to view our order. And the status of the order is pending. You can see. Yeah, we have check that one. So let's go to admin side. Here is our admin side. Let's go try this inside. Let's try to check our orders again. Slow in. Just give you some time. Yeah, it is there. So we can see Evelyn Kaino have just placed an order. You can see. Let's try to view this order. So this is the product that he have purchased, and he said, let's assume this M-Pesa code is correct, but later on I'm going to implement a M-Pesa what do you call it, push SDK push from M-Pesa. I'm going to integrate it with M-Pesa, but later on. Let's assume this is a correct order. This is a correct M-Pesa code. So as admin, you are supposed to approve this order. Let's try to approve this. Yeah, let's confirm this order. Order have been confirmed. Let's go back to Kaino. let's try to go back and just check. Let's refresh the page. You can see our order have been confirmed. Then also admin can shipped. Let's try to ship this one. Yes, shipped. You can see the order have already been shipped. Let's refresh this and see. Yeah, the order have been shipped. So let's go back to our admin again and show you something. And customers, right now we have a new customer here and have spent 5,600. Yeah, so let's try to go to our dashboard again and see. We have to register as product. This one have increased. At the beginning it was, I think, 19,000, and you can see we have 5 active and have 7 orders. Yeah, and basically that's how my application look like. And also my application is very responsive to the mobile phone and such. Let's try to use this in a mobile setting like this. Yeah, this is how my application will look like in a mobile setting like that. Let's try to view. I think this one is disturbing. Let me try to do that. I use it like that. Here you can see our product. You can just click any and such. So in mobile setting, this is how it's going to look like. Very correct. Then let's try to shop. You can just shop there. Let's try to check our orders. You can view our orders. Let's view this. It's already shipped and that's how it look like. And let's try to go and check out right now because you don't have anything, so you can't view anything. So let's check our cart, and that's how the cart look like. And for admin and for this client side, everything is responsive. So basically that's my application, and if interested you can just inbox me. You can just text me via this. I'm going to give you my email below the video in the description below, or you can just type it from here. You can just also take it from here. This is my email. This is my email address. This one, Francis Kamore Njoroge. Thank you and have a good day.